Alright folks, I've mounted one, or I guess you'd say two of my side mount brackets for the roof rack, and getting ready to show you that now. And these will be semi-permanent, meaning that they're bolted on. Going to be bolted on. This is the only one that's going to have a welded in cross member, just because I didn't want to cut it off and possibly ruin that piece of tubing on both sides. So you can see the holes drilled there and over there, and I just got to ream them out. Those are 1/2-inch bolts, 5 inches long. Go straight through the, well, as close as I could to the middle of the hat channel. This side I had a problem with, so I had to ream it out. But not this side. Well, yeah, this side, that one. This one and the other side went in just fine. So basically, see that little tab up there? I'm going to zoom in right now. That little tab. That's where my cross member will bolt in, and the same way on that one right there. And then all the other ones, that tab will be on the inside. We'll actually have 3 tabs on it. Let me show you over here. Here's some 2 others, and these are a little different. So the cross members, the forward and aft cross members, will bolt in, and then the crosswise beam will bolt in also. But I'm already figuring out that I only got 3 of these left, unless I misplace the others. I'm gonna have to I've already got them cut. I've just got to drill them properly and paint them. So I can only put 3 more on right now. But so they're going to be lined up all along here, and they will stay on. See, this is the cross members I'm talking about right here, and that's small enough to where I can just lean it up against the bus and just pull it up and put it in place. I couldn't do that with the other stuff, being all welded together. If that was all welded together, I couldn't do that. So that's the reason why I changed the design. Hopefully I will have all the braces in today, all the side mounts in today, excuse me, and hopefully some cross members. But if not, I'll work on that tomorrow or Friday. But the goal is to have everything pretty much set up and done this week, and even possibly put the solar panels on there so I can mark them. But I'm also going to put the feet on once I get the cross members on. I won't bolt them in or anything. I'll just lay them in place. I put a rubber padding on the bottom. 2 bolts go into the roof. 1 goes onto the panel. My panels are 77 inches. So I think it's 6 foot 5 inch. So anyhow, they're pretty big, and then they're 39 inches across. And so also this one right here, that mount is just going to have probably 2 tabs on it, 1 on either side, and probably a carriage bolt going up through that gutter, and then I'll die core it. But the thing is that this part right here, I'm not sure if you can see the top of that vent fan, but that area right there is going to be taller than the rest of the area, just because of the vent. We got to go above the vent for the solar panels. And then from about, halfway in the middle of that window there, we're going to be from there to approximately the middle of this window is going to be a deck. And then from there back, I'm even thinking about going, well, you see this last hat channel. I'm thinking about going about maybe to the edge here, to the edge there, or maybe even a foot further off, just so I can actually give myself more room on the deck, and that way the last solar panel can be maybe hanging off by a foot, but the rack will still be there, and the same way on the front. Just gives me more options for how I want to do things and make the deck bigger by a foot, by 2 feet, or whatever. So anyhow, that's and then let's go look at the other side, just for the heck of it. I've still got to run my drill bit through those holes there. I got to make those holes 1/2 inch. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and possibly 6 on this side to go. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on this side. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you an update on that. I'll probably give you another update later on today, showing you the progress, how many I got up. But I got to get back to work so I can get some more of these things made up and painted, and out in the sun drying. All right. Oh, there we go. All right, talk to you later. Well, I'm back. As you can see, probably, I got 2 more supports up on either side. 2 more side supports. Now I've got to put the cross members on. There, and then make cross beams for all the way across. And so I'm out of supports right now, side supports. I need to make some more, but problem is going to run into right here is, is this one here going to be the taller one, or is it going to be the same size as these here? It depends on how, for this one right here, it depends on how far forward I can push the ones that are covering the vent right up there. And then this one here, if I leave the panels in the same place, then that one there's going to be a short one. That one there's going to be a short one. But if and this one's going to be a tall one. But if I move it forward, that's the reason why I need to put the front support legs on now. And if you'll notice, all right, I don't know if you can see this, but these here are mounted here at this level, whereas these are going to be mounted starting up in this white area, not the brown, not the gray area. So they're going to be shorter. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and make a couple, mount them, but they're going to be long. And then what I do is I just adjust pull the goes across to the height I want it, and then I cut the side beam off at that position. And that goes the same way for for that one and this one here. So I don't know if I'll get to that today or not. I'll make the legs today. Well, it's going to be easy to make the legs. I got to drill the holes though. That'll take a little while. So I'll probably get the legs done today and maybe mounted today on both this one, and that one there. I don't know if you can see the holes drilled, the hole drilled right there. But so I need to make 6 side supports. 3 for this side, 3 for the other side. But the other side's gonna be different because I don't have an emergency escape or the handicap door. See, so all these are gonna be the same, with the exception of the one there at the driver's window. So all these here, and I've already got the holes drilled. So all these here will be, they're gonna be tall, but they're going to be at the same height as these right here. So anyhow, with that said, I'll there we go. How's that? Is that better? Yeah. For that said, I'll let you go for now, and I'll get back with you probably tomorrow. I'll probably go ahead and I might post this thing here now, and then work on my next video tomorrow and upload that. Anyhow, thanks for watching. And don't forget, right here, right there, click that subscribe button, and when you do that, you're going to see a bell. Click that. That'll give you automatic that'll send you, YouTube will send you updates when I upload new videos. And then right over here is like or dislike. If you dislike it, that's fine. Dislike it. But if you like it, that's great, and it helps me grow the channel faster. Thanks for watching.